Well, I can tell you how many times I get this question: what type of winter are we going to have? And you know, parts of the metro area experienced the first freeze of the season over the weekend. And as meteorologists, you know, we don't look at woolly worms or other weather folklore to predict what's going to happen this winter. We look at science, and meteorologist Melissa Nord shares with us what that science shows as what winter may hold for North Georgia this year.
Snow jam in 2014, January 11th Snowmaggedon, the Super Bowl ice storm of 2000, three of Atlanta's most recent head-turning winter storms. So could we see another blockbuster this year? Here's what this upcoming winter may hold for Atlanta and North Georgia. If you're a cold weather lover, this winter probably isn't for you. This will be thanks to a La Niña, the main driver behind our winter seasonal forecast. La Niña, which translates from Spanish to little girl, is not a storm, but rather a part of a climate pattern called the El Niño Southern Oscillation. It occurs in the equatorial Pacific Ocean and drives seasonal weather trends around the globe. When the waters are below normal, we call it a La Niña. We had one last winter, so this one's actually called a double dip La Niña. Why does this matter? It influences our weather patterns, temperatures, and precipitation. In La Niña, the jet stream is farther north. For Georgians, this means we see warmer than average temperatures, and for precipitation, we end up with near or slightly below average numbers. Does this mean we will not see any snow? Not necessarily, but the odds are overall not in our favor. I've dug through the top 10 winters of snowfall for the Atlanta area, and only one of them since 1950 was during a La Niña winter. But that was the year of the January 2011 Snowmaggedon, when all of Atlanta shut down for nearly an entire work week. Last year's La Niña resulted in just a trace of snow. A snow drought has persisted the last 3 years. Atlanta averages 2.2 inches of snow. We haven't had any measurable snow in the city since January of 2018. In La Niña winters, we can also get an early start to severe weather season. During last year's La Niña, a severe weather event and tornadoes occurred on New Year's Day.
And as you know, here in Georgia, severe weather can happen at any time, so we'll be watching for anything coming up this winter. Thank you so much, Melissa, for compiling a lot of that data and coming up with that outlook. Now, we're dry right now. It's really a nice day, plenty of sunshine, no clouds around. If you're looking for snow, yeah, we don't have any here, but you'll have to go up to the north where we do have some snow coming through parts of Illinois, right here in Indiana, Ohio, some lake effect snow moving in up in these areas of the north and east, and then that changes into rain in the northern parts of Kentucky. That system is not coming our way at all. We will have another fast-moving system coming in by Thursday with only limited moisture, and that's going to be our next low rain chance that comes in for this week. Meanwhile, we're warming, and just look how beautiful it is. This is our tower cam here down at Hartsfield-Jackson. We have the blue sky, dry runways and taxiways. Oh, what a beautiful picture there. And speaking of beautiful, this is another nice view. This is our tower cam that is in Athens, and you can see as we're looking over toward the west how the sun is setting there. Oh, actually, that's our tower cam here in town. Sorry about that. Looking over to the west as the sun is getting closer to the horizon. And again, it'll be setting at 5:35, setting earlier and earlier every day. Stay with us. We'll talk about that system that'll give us that rain chance, and if that's also going to bring us any cooler air for the end of the week and the weekend.